Okay, guys, so I'm here to analyze my Nasdaq. So I'm on TradingView, and then I am going to do the top down analysis to see what I think will happen today. So this is my watch list, and these are the symbols that I like to trade. I like to trade Nasdaq, gold, GBP, USD, GBP, JPY. This one I don't trade that much. And then the US 30, Dow Jones, and then Euro USD. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to check what's going to happen when it comes to Nasdaq this week. Okay, so what I know, like what I usually, besides the analysis, I always know that the behavior of Nasdaq is to always close the gap before it can continue with anything. But then I'm going to stick to the rules and analyze. So we will go to weekly, and I'm just going to choose a bit of a portion. I'm not going to focus on what happened in March, May. Okay, we can see it's still on an uptrend, but I'm going to focus mostly like from here going up there, which is still an uptrend. So I will put my uptrend this way. Okay. And then I'm going to go this way and also do my trend. Okay, so this trend is a bit, okay, I'm just going to go this way with it because of, that's how the market structure is. So I can't force a trend line. So this is the market structure, all right? Now, from the weekly, I'm going to go down to daily and check what's happening. All right, so I see that the weekly gave me, something like this. And now I am going to zoom in to check. Okay, this is what I see. Right. Now I see that the price came to this point. I'll delete that. The price came to this point. The price came here. Okay. The price is now at this point over here. Come on. And then I'm gonna go to this point. Oh, I keep taking the wrong one. This point, and also price came to this area, and price came over there. So those are the areas I'm gonna focus on. Okay, so on my analysis of I'm working, get sharp. I wanna want to step, no price for you. I was gonna give you price. Okay, so on my weekly, I can see also that there's a nice, beautiful W, and it looks like the price came up here to actually make a double top, and then it went back down, and now it is promising there's a gap here that we still need to fill, and then we can decide where the price will actually go for the day. So for this place, let me zoom it in like this. We saw a downtrend over here. There was a downtrend. Price broke. Okay. When it broke, there was it started going up in this manner. Here, somewhere here. Okay. So we're still on the daily. Okay. It went up in this manner, and then it broke the price. So here, I don't see the pattern clearly on this time frame. Cool. So when we come to 4 hours, it opens up, and you can see. So I can zoom there, and you can see the analysis clearly. Okay. So as you can see, price came all the way here, but it didn't really reach this high. This is still our highest point. Okay, it didn't make a higher high. Right. So price went up here. If I can adjust, which is good to adjust as you go down. Okay. So price was here. And I'll bring, oh, sorry. Price was here, came all the way here. And then price was here. Now, then we can see that the price went down and now it is going up. It's accumulating actually, and then it broke this part. But we can see that there's a gap here that the market needs to fill before it can decide whether it's going up or down. So if I'm looking at this, I would personally say this is like, when you go to the technical, this is a bearish flag of some sort. Looks like a bearish flag. Okay. But then the gap has to be closed. The price is already trading above, which shows us that it broke it up. So that means we are waiting for retracement. Like that means retest, entry, and then we're going up. Okay. But if it doesn't retest and goes in, then we might go down. So both directions. Now, here I'm going to have support. So I'll use my triangle. Where is my triangle? It's supposed to be there. Yes, it is here. No. My rectangle, actually. Rectangle. So I'll put my rectangle at this point over here. To say when the price gets to this point, if it comes down, when it gets to this point, it will retrace and then go up. Okay. And also, if we look at this point, this leg, okay, we also have support there. Why do I keep going for this? Remove this one. Over here. Okay. All right. Yeah, so for now, this is what I will do. I will keep it like this. And then with this, I'm going to go to 1 hour time frame. So you can see clearly on 1 hour, and you're still allowed to adjust anytime that you see that when you are analyzing on bigger time frame, your trend line is not sitting on, like, it's not touching the trend really well. You're always free to adjust the trend. So this one I can bring it over here. It's okay. Yeah. So here we broke and then we went down without any retracement. So this could actually be a retracement to say, I'm coming back to retest this part and then going down. Or else you can look at this trend also that was formed, which is also giving us a downtrend. But also remember, for now, the price is trading at this zone. Then it broke. That means retest to close the gap. Then we're going up. Let's look at 15 minutes and see if it will give us a clearer picture. Right. So when we're looking at 15 minutes, we see that price was trading here, accumulating in an upward manner. And then it jumped, opened the gap again once more. So retest. If it doesn't break this point, entry, you go up. If it breaks this point, entry, we are going down. Okay, so it will depend. So if you are going to trade, then if you're going up, you'll, at this point, when the price gets to this point, you go up. And then if it breaks here, if it breaks this point, then we are going down. Okay. So there we are. Now, when I get to the 15 minutes, I like to go to 15 minutes to check what the price is doing there. In 5 minutes. Okay. So I see that we are really approaching this part that I'm talking about. And if it reaches this part, then it will go down. It will retest, close the gap, then go down. So what I like to do usually, still it was accumulating at this part, and we saw that it's breaking this part in an accumulative manner. So at this point, if you have a good risk management above this price, you can go for a sell until we close the gap, and then buy. Because remember, Nasdaq is very highly volatile. So if you're a day trader, this might be a good indication of a sell, a short-term sell, which we can see looking at 1 minute that we are really on a downtrend. It is going on a downtrend on a lower time frame. So it is approaching the downtrend. Okay. So let's stick to this analysis and see how it goes. See, just what I was saying. Closing the gap. After the gap, it will depend. Then we will see the direction that we take. Okay, that's it for Nasdaq for this week. I will come back to you guys with more analysis.